to elevate your mind?
Do you want to take yourself to the next level of financial freedom? Visit secretsofrealestate.net. Hey guys, and welcome back to Secrets of Real Estate.
So today I want to tell you a story about when I just got my real estate license. So I was doing real estate for about a year, and I bought a Jaguar. And I had pulled up in this $1 million community. I was trying to get a listing in this $1 million community. And when I pulled up to the gates, I saw the security guard there. And he asked me for my information and everything to get into the community. And he asked me, what do you do? You know, and he saw me pull up in a Jaguar. And I told him, I said, I do real estate. And I tell you this story because I want to let you know that I do real estate, and I was no different than who he were. He chose to be a security guard, and he went to school for that and did that. I wanted to do real estate, and I went to school for that and did that. I educated myself. So in life, it's the choices that you make. If you choose to work at McDonald's, that's what you chose to do. The person that does real estate is no better than the person that goes to McDonald's and work. It's just that one person decided to educate themselves and take it to the next level and make the choice of being a higher level. Make the choice of doing real estate. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, if I chose to work at McDonald's, hey, that's what I chose to do, and that's what I would have been doing today. So
yeah, and like my mom here, if you didn't know.
I'm pretty sure you know by now.
My mom has always taught me, what you always say, Mom? The choices in life you make will determine
make or break
your outcome.
The choices you make in life will make or break you. Make sure you make decision wisely. Think before you make choices, and that's everything. That's everything.
Yeah, the choices in life you make will make
or break you. I always say that to her when she was growing up. Always.
Never clicks.
It didn't work, you know. It didn't seem to stick.
It did work.
What do you mean?
It did work.
I don't think it worked. I mean, sometimes it did, I guess. But I mean, it worked now. It smoothed out later, you know. I don't know. But anyway. So guys, make sure you click subscribe,
comment, and like.
Yep, and go to secretsofrealestate.net and educate yourself.
Yes, if you want to be a real estate investor, our course is out right now on secretsofrealestate.net. We have the link down in the description box. How to invest in rental property course. So today we're going to talk about the book. Okay, I want to tell you the history of Make Millions with Pre-Foreclosure Properties. Now, the reason why I wrote this book is because of the recession that we had back in 2006, 2007. Now, before that, everybody was making a whole lot of money. All the people in real estate were making money. I know investors that had Rolls Royces and Bentleys, and they were making like $100,000 a month. Like, realtors were making a whole lot of money, and I was too. And it didn't take much back then to make it. It was very easy. And then the recession came, and the realtors was losing their houses. They were losing cars. I know investors that was losing those Rolls Royces and Bentleys. There was no more real estate going on. It was just at a total pause. And people were losing their house so much. I remember watching Obama on TV, and he was just talking about all the foreclosures and what he had to help people do and everything. And he put in plan a short sale. And this plan to do short sale for people was gonna help stop foreclosure and get their houses sold before it goes into foreclosure. Or even loan modification plan, he did that too. And
I decided that I was going to do short sales for people, and I was charging them $500 a pop for every loan. So every loan that they needed to do a short sale on, I did it, and they paid me $500. Well, there was a attorney in Miami that was doing it for $4,000 a pop, $4,000 a loan, and he hired me and gave me $500, and he made the extra money. Yeah. So anyway, I went down to Miami and I worked for that attorney for a while, and then I came back and I said, you know, I'm gonna write a book to teach people how to do this themselves. There's homeowners, there's investors, there's realtors that can actually do this and help other people, or homeowners that can help themselves. So I wrote a book explaining detail by detail what exactly I did to get those short sales, to get the foreclosure stopped, and get the home sold. And that's how I came to write Make Millions with Pre-Foreclosure Properties. That's how that book came about. So that book, the first 3 chapters, is on the site, secretsofrealestate.net. And you can get the first 3 chapters for free. And if you decide that you want the book, you could purchase it. It's on sale for $19.95 on the site. And that would educate you on how to put a short sale package together and apply that to the banks and get your loan reduced, so you can get, so say a house is $200,000, you know, back then I can reduce that house to say $150,000 to get it sold, or maybe $100,000 to get it sold, you know. And that's what a short sale is. And I'm so happy that I wrote the book, because it really helps people. You can get a hard copy you can order on the site that we mail out to you, or you can get an ebook, you know, and we'll email it to you within 24 hours. So yeah.
And if you guys want to invest into rental property, we have a course also that's on secretsofrealestate.net. That course is on sale also. And if you click the link in the description box, you get your free giveaway for the Make Millions
Make Millions
foreclosure book.
And
we also have the link on there for our real estate investing course.
Right. So go ahead, guys. Go over to secretsofrealestate.net.
And if you guys need any advice or tips and videos that you guys want us to do on YouTube, go ahead and comment below, and we'll go ahead and put that together for you.
Click subscribe
and like and comment.
Bye.